We have a question from solid geometry in front of us. So let us go ahead and first read the question. A swimming pool in the shape of a right rectangular prism has length 12 feet and width 14 feet. We are given a right rectangular prism. So let us first try to understand what is a right rectangular prism. First, I'm going to explain what type of figure is a prism. A prism is a 3D figure, three-dimensional figure whose top surface and base, which is the bottom surface, has a similar shape. Let me write this as a same shape. It's identical. So as we are given a right rectangular prism, I can say that my base is a rectangle as well as my top surface is also a rectangle. Now, when we join this, we are going to see that we will get a figure which will resemble nothing but a cuboid. So a right rectangular prism is nothing but a cuboid having length, width, and height. So its length can be denoted by L and its width can be denoted by W here, and its depth, which is nothing but the height, is H. And we can apply the normal formulas of cuboid whenever we are given a right rectangular prism. So its volume can be given as length times width times height. And as in the question, we are given the volume of water in the pool is 2520 cubic feet. To the nearest foot, what is the depth of the water in the pool? So we'll apply the same formula to calculate the depth of water in the pool. Volume is 2520. So we can write length times width times height is 2520, and as length is given as 12 feet, width is given as 14 feet, we are finding its depth. After calculation, we see H is equals to 2520 divided by 12 times 14, and we get the solution as 15 feet. So the answer here is option H. Thank you.